This guide is about the danger of In.aaek.xyz pop-up windows. As you can clearly see, judging by the outlook of this pop-up window, it looks like it tries to force you into enabling unwanted extension into your Google Chrome browser. By the way, Mozilla Firefox may also be under the attack. The purpose of this pop-up and extension is to hijack your default search engine. By the way, if you mistakenly agree and proceed and add this extension to Google Chrome, your default search engine will be now changed from Google search, and it will be changed to some other weird search that you don't even want to use as your default search engine. So right now I'll demonstrate how to remove that unwanted extension that has been installed. Normally it happens without the user's interaction or intention, but I've just installed the extension on purpose simply to show you how to remove it manually. So go to the browser menu, click on More Tools and select Extensions. Now you may find this top side app extension installed, and you need to deactivate it and then remove it. So that's the way to fix the issue. First of all, I'm going to show you once again. Go to the browser menu, click on More Tools and Extensions. If you find some suspicious extensions, you may simply disable them and delete them. This should fix the majority of problems, but I also recommend that you scan your Mac computer with a powerful security program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program using this Download Combo Cleaner button, and after the program is installed, you start it from the launchpad. This is how it looks like. Combo Cleaner initially comes as the trial version that works as a free scanner only. The antivirus is the part of the premium license. Keep this information in mind. You may click on Start Combo Scan button and the program will begin the thorough analysis of your Mac. This is the end of scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Either you have the trial or the premium version. The program works as a free scanner. It reports threats at the end of scan and helps you understand where the threats are located. If you have a trial version, to find out the location of threats, check the antivirus part and click on Review Results. So this is where each threat in your Mac is located. You may go to the location of each threat separately through your Finder and remove one threat at a time manually. Or you may remove all threads automatically by clicking on Remove All Threads button, but the removal can be achieved only with the help of the premium version of the program.